Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this vintage 90s Swatch musical watch with the box and papers. As you can see, we have the 1997 Funky Stuff model, reference number SLS02. As you can see, this is a very interesting watch. If you are not familiar with Swatch musical watches, you have this option of pressing on the watch crown, and you need to pull it and slowly rotate it in order to set the time. And also you have a musical feature if you press and hold. Let me show you that as well. So this is a very cool and interesting watch. As you can see, it is a lot thicker compared to other Swatch watches because it also features that musical function right here. You can see a little bit more bulky right here. The watch comes with the original strap. As you can see, it might have been worn or placed on a watch stand, and that is why it has this curved watch strap. Nonetheless, we are going to ship an extra Swatch watch strap. As you can see, the dial is very interesting. We have this detail right here, and also we have the partially skeletonized dial. As you can see a part of the movement inside. A very nice condition overall. And also we have the box and papers from the Swatch musical watch, something really cool. It also features a number here, 973. Not quite sure what that is about, but nonetheless a very pretty and beautiful watch. Another collectible 90s vintage Swatch watch. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to our vintage Swatch watch collection. We have over 1000 vintage Swatch watches. Make sure to check them out on vintageradar.com, link in the description below, guys. And also guys, if you enjoy this type of content about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section below what Swatch watch model do you own or want to purchase. Like this video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.